Well, hi beauties. Well guys, this is what my hair is looking like. So I'm starting this challenge, like I mentioned in the intro, that I'm starting this challenge to grow my hair out. And if any of you guys don't know, back in, I think it might have been early part of 2018, I'm thinking of maybe almost the ending part of the months of 2017, I went to a stylist. I went to get my hair shaped so that I can have this kind of a shaped style to my hair, because I don't really have a style to my natural hair. And so the young lady that I had to cut my hair, which I'm not bad mouthing anyone, but I just really think at the time when I asked her about shaping my natural hair, she told me that she knew a lot about natural hair and she knew how to cut natural hair. So me, I took her word for it, and it come to she did not know really how to cut natural hair. So a lot of my hair was just chopped off. I'm talking about big time chopped off. So I blame myself. I don't blame her for that, because I should have did more research on some work that she has done, you know, her cutting and all of that. But you really need to know how to cut natural hair. So I went on this wig spree, you know, and decided that I wanted to grow my hair back. I was upset with myself for letting this happen, because my hair was at that time maybe bra strap length at the time, but now it's I'm not quite sure what it is now, but if I'm not mistaken, I think it probably was either 2017, the last few months of 2017, or either the early part of 2018. I'm not quite sure which one, but I'm gonna go back and look at some of my photos, and then I could probably have some of the photos inserted here on this video. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like now. It is very thick, and this is the way it really was before, you know, she cut it. It was real thick. I really have fine, very fine hair, but it's kind of thick now. It was thick then, but I still have fine strands, very low density, you know, hair strands. So yeah, I guess I said that correctly. The density is very low. I don't have a high density of hair, and it's very fine, and my curls are very like coily, kind of. I could say maybe a 4A, B, and C. But that's my take on it. I don't really do the hair texture thing, but I like to know what my texture is. But yeah, I'm thinking that's what my texture is, my natural hair texture. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. And I kind of want to do a lint check. I might have to call my husband in here so he can just pull it down in the back. I have on a lint check t-shirt that I ordered years ago when I was on this hair site called Hairlista. And now it's no longer available, so they shut it down. Well, I guess she decided to let it go, so we don't have a hair site to go on. So yeah, and what I'm going to be doing on this challenge is growing my hair back. So if anyone want to join in with me, you're more than welcome. So I'm starting for the new year. Starting, I guess you could say as of right now, which is December 30th. I want to start today. That's carrying me into the new year. I want to start growing my natural hair back out. And eventually I will go and get my hair shaped up so that I can have some shape to my hair. So whenever I wear my natural hair out, y'all, I can, you know, it look like a style to it. So what the challenge is that I'm going to be using rice water. And it got plenty of videos here on YouTube that you can go and check that out. If you want me to show you how to make the rice water, I will do that. But you can just pull it up on YouTube, and it really shows you how to do the rice water. And I will have all the information down below on what the rice water does, you know, how does it make your hair grow. This here's my rice water that I made up. I let it fermented. I guess I'm pronouncing this correctly, for about 24 hours. And then I poured it into this here applicator spray bottle. So, and it's been refrigerated. And now I'm just going to spray some onto my scalp. But first of all, I think I might want to do the lint check first. Okay? And I do have on a lint shirt like I mentioned. And I'm just going to show you what my hair is right now. Just like here. It's just like right at, I could say armpit length here. Little bit over armpit length right here for the size. And I would do better on the next one. So, let me see. And I don't have all my lighting today, guys. I'm sorry if the lighting is not good, but let me see. And see, one side might be a little bit longer than the other, because when she cut my hair, she cut it so uneven. It was, y'all, it was horrible. And I'm just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm not bad-mouthing anybody, and I'm not trying to do that. But it was so uneven, and this side here is longer than this side. But I mean, eventually get it cut even, and I'm just going to grow it out a little bit more. Once I get it cut, maybe they won't have to cut off all of my hair. So I won't have to do it, just say another big chop. But yeah. So let me see what it's like in the front. And I'm just doing this side and see what it's like on this side. And this here is right down here. And then I'm going to do this side. And you can see the difference. I'm just sharing it. This here's this side. And then I'm going to get my husband to kind of like share the back. This is how long this side of the top is. You see how short this is, and then it's just, I don't know. Maybe I could just do, I'm just going to see some of it from the back. It's a little bit over my armpit. And see, this side here is shorter. Okay, you can tell the difference. It's a little bit shorter. Can you see it in the camera? So you guys, that is it. That's 10. What is that? Well, okay guys, y'all seen where my husband was pulling it down, so on what number, but I did know that this side is longer than this side. The left back was a 10, and then the right back was maybe a 9, a little bit over 9, but one nearby. He say it hanging by a string, it can get to a 10, but it was short on this side. Yeah, but I'm gonna be working on that. And so what we're gonna do is go ahead and apply the rice water to my scalp. You know. You can sleep with the rice water on overnight. And I won't be doing that. I'm just, after I let it sit for a while, I will be washing my hair. Just massage it into your scalp. Kind of dripping. And I will have all the information down below to let you know how long you're supposed to keep this and what the rice water was in it to make your hair grow. I did a little research, but I hadn't done a whole lot. But it's raving all over YouTube, so you can find a video on that. I just want you guys to follow me on this journey if you would like. And yeah, make sure you put it on those edges. You guys, you still see that melasma? I need to come up with something. If any of you know what I can use to get rid of this melasma on my face. I think it come from, you know, hormonal issues. So please let me know. Comment down below. Okay, y'all. So I just want to share that and share with you guys that I did spray some onto the scalp. And I think I'm going to do this maybe once or twice a week. And I'm not sure what days. And I know I should have had all of that together before I came to you guys. But it really would have to be either on a Thursday night and Thursday night and Saturday nights. Because during the weekday, I don't think I have time to do that. Okay, you guys. I want to thank you all for watching. And if you have any questions about all of this, please comment down below and let me know. And if you have any information pertaining to this rice water hair growth, please let me know down below. And I just wanted to try it. I've seen a couple of videos on it and I wanted to try it, and I wanted you guys to be a part of this with me, so you know you can see as my hair progress. So yeah, until next time, you guys be blessed, and don't forget to be a blessing. And if you're new here to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload videos. Bye. Mwah.